Until 1996, the 11.8 long Third Mainland Bridge, which stretches from Omoroshoki to Adeniji Adele Interchange on Lagos Island, was the longest bridge in Africa. In the process of constructing the bridge, the area had to be sandfilled, giving birth to the landed property on which the Adeniji Adele housing estate now sits. Under the administration of Alhaji Lateef Jakande, first civilian governor of Lagos State, several low to medium housing estate schemes were carried out in various parts of the state to fill the very urgent need of housing of the citizens. The Adeniji Adele housing estate, which was constructed between 1977 and 1982, was one of these developments. The development was named after one of Lagos Island's greatest monarchs, the Obamoshin Biko, Moraimo Adeniji Adele II. Due to the urgency of housing needs at the time, the four-phase development was done very quickly and no soil test was carried out. A system of canals leading to the Lagos Lagoon, which would have been sufficient to drain surface water from the estate, has been turned into a rubbish dump, and stagnant water further deteriorates the already weak structures.
This project is one of the initiatives under the purview of the Lagos State Urban Renewal Agency, LASURA. Following LASURA's requirements to provide a minimum of 2,500 housing units, the ATO Architects Limited design team has explored a few design options for sustainable urban regeneration of the area. We present three options for spatial development, containing 2,600, 2,640, and 2,960 dwelling units, respectively.
With a resident population expected to far exceed 10,000 people, the access and road networks are critical. The proposal has allowed for 4 entrances and exits to Adeniji Adele Road, and an alternative entrance and exit has been provided from Adeniji Adele bus stop along the expressway to ease congestion.
Our holistic infrastructure strategy comprises the use of solar panels to take advantage of energy from the sun and passive design techniques. All emergency exits, street lights, lifts, and public lobbies will have backup power supply. A drainage improvement strategy involving the remediation of canal sites, rerouting of existing canals, and provision of high transparent barriers which allow visual access but restrict physical access to the canals as a tool for curbing waste dumping. A central sewage treatment plant, water recycling with rainwater channels draining into purification and aeration systems, garbage chutes, and designated recycling bins will be provided for appropriate solid waste disposal, and policies to ensure waste is collected daily. Our circulation and transportation strategy will facilitate ease of pedestrian movement, alternate routes for cycling, and an estate shuttle service with appropriate bus stops, with provisions made for the future cable car proposal for Lagos State. Security will be provided using CCTV cameras and security personnel in buildings, as well as manning elevated security posts and patrols. Our landscape improvement plan includes a central recreation park with water features fed by the canals, a multi-story parking podium with relaxation areas for the residents, and extensive greenery around all the structures for environmental therapy, reducing urban heat islands, as well as ridding the air of carbon dioxide and other toxins. For sustainability and financial viability, we propose that the redevelopment is carried out in 4 phases. Propose that infrastructure is developed as required for each phase to spread the cost of development as it pertains to roads, water, sewage treatment, power, drainage, transportation, and so on. Working through its Lagos State Urban Renewal Agency, LASURA, sees the huge potential in reinventing the Adeniji Adele housing estate and indeed its environs on all sides. The ATO Consortium shares this vision as well. To achieve the ultimate goals of this development, we have assembled a team of experts. We are committed to rebuilding the Adeniji Adele housing estate and raising it to world-class standards.